In this video, we'll show you how to use the preset buttons on the car, where you can assign them to contacts, locations, or radio station. To set a radio station as a preset, make sure the station that you want to set is highlighted. Press and hold the preset button that you'd like to assign it to, and it's assigned. Let's do that again. So highlight, press and hold. Wait for the bar, now it's assigned. To assign a contact as one of your presets, all you have to do is find the contact name in your phone. I just picked myself. So you just find the name. Make sure the name is highlighted. Do not press it or it'll call them. Make sure that name and number is highlighted. Press and hold. And now that contact is saved as one of your presets. You can also save addresses as a preset button. So say you want to save your home address as a preset button, you just highlight home, press and hold, and now home is set as a preset as well. If you ever need to check what presets are set as what, simply slide your finger across the buttons and it'll show up on the screen which is assigned to which. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of the Century BMW family.